A little update on my organization process. Still waiting for the screws from IKEA. But I have made this a designated project life drawer. I put some of the larger 4x6 cards over here, and then I have some here. And I'm trying to leave finger space so I can thumb through them because I really want to use these cards. Some I have taken out of the packages, some I have not. I was trying to use washi to keep that up, but you can see it just slides right back down. The ones that came with the little pieces of ephemera in it, I stapled onto the name of the package and then just slipped it in here. And then I just use cardboard to divide it. So over here I want to do Project Life 2 because, let's just say I have a lot. A lot. I have a big box over there I want to pull over, and then I have, that's Project Life. Getting there. Now what I did decide to do is keep the bigger, nice cardboard or, magnetic boxes with their cards in it, because I think I will use them more of a, a themed, when I'm doing a journal or whatever, and I'm like looking for that distressed or antique theme. So I'm going to leave that one there, and I might have one more box, because what I ended up doing as well is down here I have these packages that have the plastic for the fuse tool, and I have a large one as well, but you can see there it doesn't fit. Now, one thing about the drawers I will say, it does take a lot of your room. You can see there you only get, X amount of space, where here with the open shelf, there's a lot more, or even up here with the drawer, or with the door. Keep that in mind if you're looking into this, but I like the drawers, and that's what I really wanted. So I'm happy with my decision. So what I think I'll do with this big pack is put it up there, and it does fit pretty comfortably. But you can see there, it fits over here very nice. But I didn't want stuff hanging out open like that, so we'll see. We'll go back to that. I'm going to flip you around, and I'm going to take some of these Project Life packs apart and put them in my drawer. I want to fill that one up, and then I saved this cat food box, and I can recover it if I want, but I want to see how well it holds the cards, and I might use that for a natural divider. I hope you can see everything okay. Let me turn the light on. What I'm up to is I have these two boxes. I have this pack I need to open. Those are some bags I gotta put away. So this came out of, I don't even remember, Everyday Edition. And I'm just trying to get these out of the package. That way I can enjoy them and use them. And I will put this in my drawer. I really like them when I be able to use the cards, because they're so, I'm just in love with them. And actually thumb through and see what I have. I thought about what other organization techniques I could use. Nothing came to mind. See, this one I don't even think I've ever opened yet. It seems like everybody's having clearance on Project Life right now. I've hit up my Michaels. Every now and then, Tuesday morning, we'll get a pack in. I think this came from Michaels. This is their Seasons edition. And I've just been throwing these over there. I'll put them in recycling. The boxes. And then I can put that in recycling. Oh, I did open it. Okay. It was open. Some I left still with the cellophane wrapped. What I have been trying to do, though, is keep all my cards together when I do stick them in the drawer. That way I kind of know they came from the same box. And then here's another one. This is Strawberry Edition. I had taken this stuff out and I filled it with some of the blank cards and some other cards I have. And I think I'll leave that alone. I want to put these journal cards somewhere because they're fun to grab. See a lot of 4x6s. All right, I'm going to put these in the drawer and let me take you with me. So what I did do, I grabbed a pack of this, one of these journal blank card packs because they keep falling. See if I can get my fingers out of the way. They keep falling down. There, that's probably better. So I'm thinking if I put that in there and then let me grab this other pack of cards. I think it goes to this edition here. I'll put these in here because I do believe they match. This edition. Got it before it slid down. And then when I'm ready, I can put another pack in there and then just slide that back. So grabbing that every day, not every day, this is the Seasons edition. Trying to think how I want to do this. Maybe like that. Again, the thought is to be able to thumb through my cards and grab a card whenever I'm ready to grab it. But that's okay. I got more that can fill up this box. And then I do have the thick ones that go. So, in one empty container. That's what I'm up to right now. I was going to grab more out of this box here because I had taken them out and then filled it with other things. These cards are a little bit different shaped. These might be a different brand. And I've received many cards in friend mail, which is fabulous. There's the blank ones. So that's what I'm up to. I just wanted to check in with my Project Life reorganization, whatever, journaling card reorganization. And I'll check back in with you when I'm all done. Just to finish up my Project Life, I wanted to show you real quick. That's how the first drawer turned out. And I showed you this prior. I did fill it up with some of these 4x6 lined cards. So those are nice. They're all the same. And then I did try to leave some finger room here to get into my cards. But I may just need to pull a grouping out and work with it. And when I was taking them out of the packs, I did try to leave, like, you know, bunches with other like bunches. These are all the fine and dandy. And again, I stapled the ephemera packs onto the labels so I can see what's there and use those. So what I did try to do then is, these are all fine and dandy. The small, the 3x4s. And here are the 4x6 in the back. So I try to keep those all together. I just put some lined journal cards in there. These are smaller. And then I have some other cards here. Some birthday cards there. Again, my cardstock background, so I can pull a background color out and use it. And these are textured. And then I just put another grouping there. So that's drawer number 1. And then over here, again, I tried to keep things together. So this is all Christmas. And they're from different Project Life series. There I have the Holly Jolly and Deck the Halls. And I think I just put those there because I couldn't find anywhere else to stick them at. And then this is all Christmas. And I did just put the name of the package and I slipped it in there. And then you can see there, those are all Christmas cards. So I wanted to really try to keep Christmas with Christmas because that way then when the season comes around, I can just grab. Here's just a pack I got at Joann's by itself. I did not take it out. That way I remember where I got it from. And I really like this pack. And I can then buy more. And you can see there, I just kind of slipped it, tucked it behind. So over here has another grouping. And I left a little more finger room there. And then over here is yet another grouping. And this is the seasons. That was a big 4-pack. And then over here is the larger cards. This came in a this was another pack. A little girl or something. So I just used that kind of as a divider. And then here's some more just blank journaling cards. And then that pack. So you can see there, let me show you real quick. That's all the further my drawer goes out. So I'm either going to have to kind of dig behind it to find those cards. Or pull out the drawer. And that's always a possibility. Because you can see back there, I do have some ephemera from those Christmas packs. I left them in the box they came in, the clear box. And I did use the cat food, soft food holder there to keep everything contained for this Christmas pack. So that's drawer number 2. I have more. So here I kept my 2 little boxes because I like the magnetic box. And if I ever do empty them out, then I can use them for something else or recycle. And then I did decide to keep my Project Life pockets and fusibles, things like that in here. And you can see that I do have a few packs. And then I do have a pack of, I think it's Note This or Odds and Ends still in the box because I already have one up here in the drawer. And then I have my fuse tool tucked in there. So all that is Project Life. And then remember I had up here, I was seeing if the boxes would fit. I decided to go ahead and move them over here. And I do have 3 boxes in there. I never did empty out the strawberry edition. I think I took some cards out and then a lot I left in there. And then I have a couple more packs here I did not take out because these are the wooden embellishments, so I kept those together. This is Note to Self. And I have another one up here. It is Stuck. That's what. The glue got stuck. Here it is, the Little You Girl. I don't know what that other pack belongs to then because I kept these all together. And then I have some other Playful Edition and Maggie Holmes. So those are all up in there. Oh, and by the way, remember I was struggling with, move those out. I was struggling with getting that to put in right here. I only had to rotate it and it fit perfectly. I thought it wasn't going to fit at all. So that's it. Project Life there. Project Life over here. And believe it or not, I just picked up some more Project Life. That will be coming up in a haul. So thanks for joining me, and I hope everyone is having a great day, and be on the lookout for more organization.